In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert videos in PowerPoint. To get started, open your presentation in PowerPoint. You can use an existing slideshow or a new one, depending on what you're working on. Once the presentation is open, go to the slide where you want the video to appear. It's a good idea to choose the exact slide before inserting the video, because PowerPoint will place it on whichever slide is currently selected. Next, look at the top of the PowerPoint window and click on Insert. This tab contains all the tools you need for adding different types of content to your slides, such as pictures, shapes, text elements, and of course video. If you're new to PowerPoint, the Insert tab is one of the most commonly used areas, so it's worth getting comfortable with it. After that, click on Video. This opens the video insertion options available in PowerPoint. Depending on the version you're using, the layout may look slightly different, but the video option is typically found in the Insert ribbon near the Media tools. Once you click it, PowerPoint will guide you toward adding your video. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. PowerPoint may ask you to choose the source of the video, such as a video file saved on your device or another supported location. Select the video you want to use, then confirm your choice so it can be added to the slide. After the video appears, you can usually click and drag it to reposition it, or resize it by using the corners of the video frame. This helps you fit the video neatly into your slide design without stretching it awkwardly. As you work, keep in mind that video files can sometimes be large, so your presentation may take a little longer to load or save after insertion. It's also helpful to preview the slide once the video is added, just to make sure it displays properly and is placed where you want it. If needed, you can make small adjustments before moving on. That's all it takes to insert a video in PowerPoint. Open your presentation, go to Insert, click Video, and follow the prompts on screen. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and easy.